Visit in the Cristallina quarry for white marble in the Swiss Alps.
E la rossa che sono due montagne di marmo.
Up there you can see already the two mountains of marble, don't you? This is all marble, in different qualities. Our marble which we mine there is very special and very hard. It is more or less as granite.
Tra il cristallino e il calcareo che hanno creato una roccia quasi basaltica, veramente è come un vetro.
And there is a factory in which the marble will be further processed.
The marble quarry is in the middle of the Alps, more than 1200 meter height or 3927 feet, and thus the highest in Europe and the only one in Switzerland. Because of its hardness, this marble takes only little water and is therefore resistant against frost. Based on the good workability, the marble from Peccia is flavored by artists throughout the world. It is also used in the nearby sculpture school. This white-grey marble was built about 200 million years ago in the Triad. It is very hard pressed. Even if the Peccia marble from the Cristallina is less known than the one from Carrara, it is so far often used already by architects all over the world, for buildings, for facades, for bathrooms, etc. Here in the quarry, the blocks of marble are sawed out of the mountain. This one is a saw for this kind of work, and it works very fast. Heavy machines lift and transport the blocks of 2 to 2.5 tons. A modern high-speed saw cuts big blocks into smaller ones.
Prendiamo il discorso sul filo che 3 quarti d'ora.
Molto veloce.
Ecco. E questo è un filo speciale, mi ha detto.
This saw uses a special band with diamonds and cuts the blocks very fast. In order to avoid dust, the sawing process is constantly cooled with water.
C'è siccità o poca acqua, è utile.
Otherwise, it would look like this if we would cut without water.
Filo particolare, molto aggressivo.
Sì.
Andiamo a vedere quanto dura.
Where do we now transport the blocks to? We transport them to.
Li portiamo giù a
Riveo.
deposito a Riveo.
And where are they further processed? In Biasca, Vallemaggia. Oh yes, it would be better if also more could be made here in Peccia. This powder is very good to use for cosmetics, for the skin of women. Really? Yes, it is very much requested. But the transport from here is very expensive. On the other hand, in Carrara they sell everything. I think the big chemical plants could really use it.
Here, the digger moves large rubber tires, on which the next cut blocks can be rolled unspoiled. the next block is moved out of the quarry for transportation into the valley. This is a special piece, a so-called yellow marble. It has golden yellow effect and it's very valuable.
Come si chiama Cristallina?
Why the company is named Cristallina?
Cristallina è un po'
Cristallina is the name of the marble and is named after the pass in the mountain up there.
Sì.
Questi sono un po' dei prodotti che si possono realizzare con il marmo, ecco.
Here are some examples of application of our marble. For instance, a nice white terrace, or such a wall, or this table with a nice crystalline structure.
Anche il tavolo è una struttura sabbiata.
It is also very much possessed in the German part of Switzerland, in the region of Zurich, for example, to build sanitary equipment for bathrooms.
Dei apparecchi sanitari per i bagni.
Then we walked another 500 meters above the quarry in the mountains to see a nice and very high waterfall. At the beginning of the 20th century, here was built a tunnel of more than 800 meter length for the Alps, which are situated above in 1600 meter height, about 5200 feet. In spring and in autumn, the cattle are herded through this tunnel as the only way. Phenomenal! A last view into the valley and the all-around high mountain peaks.